So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 on VirtualBox or VirtualBox Manager. So if you guys haven't installed Oracle VirtualBox Manager, please watch my previous video on how you can set up this. So once you guys have set up the virtual machine, come back to this video and then yeah, let's connect this. So first you need to click on this new, and then you need to select the ISO image, and also you need to give this as Windows 10 as a name. You can put anything like Windows 10. The ISO you need to select here is the ISO file. You can select from other and select the ISO file that you guys have. And once you guys are done, so you need to click this one here, and then it's gonna ask you for a password, so you need to put password here. There you go. Now Windows 10, I'm just going to name this host as Windows 10. You need to specify the virtual hardware as well. Now increase the RAM, so I'm just going to give this like 8 gig, and 4 CPU or 3 to 4 CPU is good. Then click on specify hard disk, or for virtual disk you can create like 50 gigabytes. I will leave this as a default as well, and then click and finish. And before you power on, you need to go to setting. So on the display you need to set this like 128 so you can get smooth display. Now powering up the VM. Now it's gonna install Windows 10 on your device. So here we have the error, Windows cannot read the product key. So it's completely okay, so clicking OK, it will restart, so you need to close this. So you can see that this is restarting my machine, so we need to close this first, power off, and then click on setting. So first thing is that you need to go to system and then uncheck this floppy and click on OK. So you need to find this specific VM on your system setting. So you need to open up the file manager, go to C drive, then go ahead and hit on this user, and scroll down until you find VirtualBox. All right, so this is the folder that you guys wanted to click. Double click on there, and this is the VirtualBox that you guys have created. This is what I created, Windows 10. Now, so this is the unattended file. This is on floppy.img. So delete this. Now you guys will do empty this recycle bin as well, and then you can simply hit start. This will now resolve the issue. So press on OK, full screen. There you go. And then this is what we wanted. Now click on next, install now. And I don't have a product key. If you have, you can put that. So I'm just going to go with the Windows 10 Pro. Clicking next. I accept the license and terms. Click on next and custom install. I'm just going to hit on next. I don't need to partition this because I don't want it to. So if you wanted to partition, you can go ahead and partition as you wish. So I'm just going to click on next and just let Windows do everything. I was gonna flash to Windows 10. Now it's finishing up, so restart. Now simply click on yes. So you need to choose the right keyboard layout, so I will go with US and skip this. I'm just going to set up this for personal use, so click on next. If you have account you can sign in, but I'm just going to go with offline account, and limited experience is always better. I'll give it my name, and if you wanted to give password you can hit password, but you can simply leave blank if you don't want it to hit password. So you can click on not now and toggle this off everything here and accept. So skip this, not now. So here we go, we have completed this, and click on continue. So I'm just going to close this browser because we don't need it just for this tutorial. So you can see we have completed installing Windows 10 on VirtualBox, but the screen is kind of chopped. You can see on square, this is how it run, but you can make this full screen if you wanted to. For that you will need to install guest edition. So if you open the file manager here, you don't have anything like guest edition here. So to have the guest edition you need to click on this device and insert guest edition CD image. So click there and keep refreshing, and we have VirtualBox guest edition. So double click the open and simply open up the VirtualBox Windows edition by double clicking. Click on yes and click on next. There you go. We need to install this because to make full screen of the virtual machine. And also you can have drag and drop feature. So now it's asking you to reboot, so click and finish. This will restart and your virtual machine will go full screen. So now to go to full screen mode, you need to click on this view, and here is a full screen mode. Let's switch this, and pretty much you can see that this is completely full screen now. Now if you wanted to exit out, you can push Control plus F, and this is how it looked like. So this is it. Now you guys have installed Windows 10 on VM, and it's running pretty much cool, pretty much everything. So let's check the Task Manager here and see the processor and everything. So this is how you should install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. Hope this video helps you out. So if you think this video helps you out, consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace.